Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 3 of the Tableau series. In this video, we will build a clean and interactive business dashboard using Tableau, starting from individual sheets and combining them into a final dashboard. Now, let's start by creating our first visualization. Open a new sheet and begin by adding a title, Sales by Country. Now drag the country field into columns and sales or amount into rows. Tableau will automatically generate a bar chart. Adjust the formatting if needed and ensure the chart is clear and readable. This visualization gives us a quick comparison of sales performance across different countries. Now, let's build a summary sheet. Rename the sheet to Business Summary. Here, we will display key metrics such as total sales, number of orders, and count of records. Drag these measures into the view and format them properly. Use text tables or KPI style formatting to highlight the numbers. This section acts as a snapshot of overall business performances. Now that all sheets are ready, let's create the dashboard. Click on New Dashboard. From the left panel, drag and drop Business Summary at the top 10 Salesperson chart below it, and Sales by Country chart on the right. Adjust the layout to make it visually balanced. Resize the elements, align them properly, and ensure spacing is consistent. You can also add titles and formatting to improve clarity. Now, let's make the dashboard interactive. Click on a chart and enable Use as Filter. This allows users to click on one visualization and filter the others. For example, selecting a country will update the salesperson's data accordingly. This adds depth and usability to your dashboard.